The Slant 3D Shopify app gives you access to our enormous print farms. It lets you worry about your customers and designing new products without having to worry about printing and shipping those products. So how it works is, first of all, you will install the Slant 3D Shopify app to your Shopify store. Once that is done, you can go ahead and access the app, and you will upload the files that you want us to have printed. Each one of those files will be quoted so you know how much it costs to actually make the product that you're wanting us to print and ship for you. Once that's done, you can then match those files to SKUs within your stores. So if you have a cup, you can match it with the cup STL file. That way, each time an order is made for that item, we will be notified and we will print out and ship that item. Most orders go out within about 3 days, and if there are multiple orders inside of an order, then they will all be printed out and shipped in the same box directly to your customer. Once shipping is done, you will be billed for the cost to print the part and for the shipping involved as well. The goal of this app is to let you scale up without having to worry about building more printers or worrying about the shipping process and setting up some kind of fulfillment provider. You're able to get access to enormous print farms and basically have a warehouse where the shelves make the product.